Dear Captain, last time I showed you how a wind factor works in battle. Do you still remember? If you missed that video, make sure you check it out. Now let's come straight to the point. In this video, I'd like to introduce another weather type to you, rain. Here we go. How does troop movement speed change during rainy weather? On rainy days, most troops will have reduced movement speed. Can rain affect the attack capability of troops? Rain can both increase the attack damage of some troops, such as the snowmen and frost archers, and decrease the attack damage of some troops, such as the fire mage. Let's learn from the example of snowmen versus Arctic wolves. Both Arctic wolves and snowmen are level 9. First, we'll look at the snowmen's performance in sunny weather. Blue Arctic wolves killed all red snowmen, while all 9 Arctic wolves remain alive. What will happen in rainy weather? The red snowmen survived and killed all Arctic wolves. That's all the tips about rainy weather in Island War. Next time, I will share information about foggy weather. Stay tuned.